Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the aspect ratio of a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just select the picture, press on it continuously and press on the arrow symbol there, and after that press on aspect ratio down below. And you can just select an aspect ratio that you want for the picture, and after that you can just simply go back and press on save. And it's going to be saved like that basically. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.